Hello guys! Welcome sa Mier's Kitchen. And for today's video, we're gonna cook black noodles. Ito po. Actually, this noodles is yung leftover ko out of scratch na ginawa ko a few days ago. Nilagay ko lang siya sa freezer, then dinifrost ko siya ngayon. Ngayon, luluto natin siya with egg at saka dark sauce lang po. Ayan, may tayo sibuyas na pangisa at saka ayan, overload na cabbage. Let's go! Okay, first, luluto ko muna itong scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. Ayan, ready na siya. Set aside ko lang guys. Lagay natin dito. Then, umpisa natin yung sibuyas. Very simple, pero masarap ito guys. Promise. Ayan. Okay na siya. Ilalagay na natin yung ating noodles. Ayan. Then, lagyan natin ng dark sauce. Guys. And then, black pepper. Kunti yung sahog guys. Very simple, diba? Ayan. And guys, ilalagay na natin yung ating cabbage. Overload na vegetables. Lagyan ko siya ng spring onion para mas maganda siyang tingnan guys. Ayan. Our homemade noodles is now ready for plating. Ready for plating na guys. Ayan guys, ready na yung ating noodles. Ilagay natin on top yung scrambled egg natin kanina. Ayan guys. See? Look at this. Ayan. Ready na yung ating homemade noodles. Yummy, yummy guys. Let's try. Okay. Very simple. Out of scratch yung niluto ko. Yan na guys. O, diba?